About to load on the shipping ship.
I'm about to be shipped by a shipping ship.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm here on Yacht Express. All these boats are going to be heading to Genoa, Italy. I will not be going on this trip, unfortunately, but look at that, incredible. Right, and then I've got to cross up to here. Now right now there's water there, but that will be going down soon in a few hours, and then it'll just be like solid, no water there. It's quite an adventure. So to get onto the main vessel, I have to cross this right here. So from there down to here, step onto the boat, walk across the boat. So this is a commercial vessel, obviously, even though it's transporting super yachts. Guests, owners would never ever be going on anything like this. So you got to be careful. Got to go all the way back down there. So the truth is, my plan was to take this Yacht Express Yacht Express, let me say, and go back to Sweden or go travel. But now I'm having a change of heart, and I'm thinking of maybe just staying on board and yeah, going on this journey. It could be very interesting, could be boring too, I don't know, but everything seems to be quite impressive to me right now. So yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do. This is the crew area. Yeah. Got a decent little gym in here. Alright, so we're on the hard. Everybody's just getting the final touches together, connecting to shore power, hoses, all that good stuff. The crew have not slept, most of them at least. Yeah. All the boats are set up. Hey, what's up guys? So I will not be going on the Yacht Express. I'm just starting my adventure now. This is the beginning. I have no idea where I'm gonna go in the world. Pretty much pick anywhere. If you have any suggestions, please inbox me, let me know. Well, I'll put a little question up, I don't know yet. Yeah, this is what I'm saying goodbye to. So the adventure begins.